Hello everyone, this is Dr. Krishna from the Department of Computer Science in the Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Here today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of history, characteristics and features of C. C is a structured programming language developed in the year 1973 by a computer programmer Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories. It is one of the most popular and oldest programming languages in the world. Because of its simplicity and popularity, the language is being used even today in colleges and universities around the world to introduce students to computer programming. The language is considered to be one of the most powerful programming languages because of its structure, high-level abstraction and the fact that it is machine dependent. That is to say, C is platform dependent language. C was first developed with the Unix operating system and shares much in common with the Unix. And because of the fact that Unix still remains a widely used operating system, C also has its share and forms the core of the Internet data superhighway. Now, let us have a look at the features and characteristics of C programming language. The basic features of the language are its modularity. It is portable, it is mid-level language and it is simple language to understand from the beginner's point of view. It is always preferable if a big program can be divided into smaller sub-programs and address the problems thereof separately. The one characteristics of C, that is modularity, allows this concept. Dividing a program into sub-programs is always a good practice to implement each subtasks of a program as a separate program module. In C, such modules are written and implemented as functions. Writing codes with modular approach have many advantages and a few of them are easy debugging, readability, code reusability and clarity on each block, function, etc. Portability is another characteristics features of C. C is platform dependent language anyway, but it is machine independent language. That means C program is 100% portable in same operating system, but it is not portable under all operating systems. This means we can use our codes written in C under any hardware with same operating system. You can easily write code on one system and port to another. Another feature of C is that it is known as general purpose programming language. This means C can be used to write a variety of applications. It is often referred to as a system programming language. But again, C is considered to be a mid-level or middle-level language because of its capability to handle both high-level and low-level codes. The language has high-level features which is syntactically similar to the English language, that is considered to be a modular approach, and as well as C also have lower-level features like in inline assembly programming, bitwise data manipulation, and because of all this, C is called a middle-level language. Here, being a middle-level language implies that using C language we can write application programs and system programs. One interesting fact about C is that it is being used for general purpose programming, though it was originally developed for system programming, which means for the purpose of operating system programming, etc. Another fact about C is that it was developed under Unix operating system, but advantage of entire Unix operating system is rewritten using C language. The most important aspect about the language is that it is simple language. C is considered to be very easy language and because of which it can keep things as simple as possible and consistent with the overall program objectives, which usually enhances the clarity and accuracy of a program. It is a vast collection of keywords, operators, built-in functions and data types which make it efficient and powerful. There are other characteristics, features from a programmer's point of view which can be illustrated in a brief way. First and foremost is that the concept of pointers. That is, by using pointers we can directly access memory, which is very unique in itself. Another one is that C programmers have extensive use of functions which demonstrate the concept of modularity of the language. Using C, the concept of code reusability is implemented using the use inbuilt library functions. Another aspect of reusability is that C allows a user to add his own functions to library. The language has good file management structure which enables a program's file handling capability. C is one of the most popular languages used today and features in operating systems and embedded systems. Also, C is considered a robust programming language with an impressive set of built-in functions and a variety of operators which one can use to write any complex program. C programs are considered fast and efficient. This is because C uses a powerful set of data types and operators. The language combines the power and capability of assembly language with the user-friendly features of a high-level language. The language is the most widely used older programming languages. It continues to go strong while older programming languages such as BASIC, COBOL and Fortran have been virtually forgotten. A C program consists of a number of functions that are supported by C library. In fact, you can create your own function which can then be added to the C library and for later use. C is popular not just because it can be used as a stand-alone programming language, but also it can be used as an interface to other more visual languages. Another fact about the language is multiple file programming, which is allowed in C, where a program can be written in distributed and in many files as well. C is super fast. The compilation and execution of programs is much faster than other languages in C than with most other popular languages. One more reason for popularity of C is it is easily available. The C software is easy to access and can be easily installed on a computer. The installation of C hardly takes a few minutes. C is easy to debug. The C compiler detects syntax errors quickly and easily and displays the errors along with the line numbers of the code and the error message. C makes available a number of inbuilt memory management functions that save memory and improve the efficiency of the program, such as malloc, calloc and alloc. Recursion is one of the most common techniques used in C, wherein a function calls itself again and again. Finally, C has a rich set of library functions and supports graphic programming too. A C program is basically a collection of functions that are supported by C library. We can also create our own function and add it to the C library. C is highly portable. This means that programs once were written can be run on another machine with little or no modification. Another important feature of C program is its ability to extend itself. Lastly, but not the least, that C is a very flexible language. It is convenient and portable like a high-level language and flexible like a low-level language. It can be interfaced with other programming languages. I hope you understand the content of this lecture. Thank you so much.